Foaming hand soap tablet refill, 12-pack eco-friendly hand wash tablets, zero waste hand wash concentrate, equivalent to 96 fluid ounces of liquid, fills 12x8 fluid ounces refillable foam dispenser, lemon scented. Item form tablet. Skin type all, oily, sensitive, dry. Brand active. Scent lemon. Material feature natural. About this item. Sustainable hand soap, choose active to reduce both plastic waste and carbon impact. Our zero waste packaging saves energy wasted in shipping extra water and fillers in standard soaps. Is entirely recyclable and / or compostable, and filling reusable foaming dispensers protects the earth from harmful waste, not to mention saving you money. Moisturizing and cleansing, our non-toxic, natural formula is designed to make washing your hands a breeze. Each pump produces a soft, foamy lather that is gentle and hydrating for dry or sensitive skin, and effectively washes off. Best value refills, try our 12-tab bulk pack, not only environmentally friendly, but it also frees up time and money from buying countless jugs or single-use bottles. Natural citrus scent, our refreshing lemon fragrance leaves your hands smelling great and cleaner than ever. Just add water, simply add one of your tablets to a foaming soap dispenser, not included, with 8 ounces of warm water. Each concentrated pod is dissolvable to a whole bottle of soap. Easily store our space-saving package in your kitchen or bathroom.